Hello. Welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today we're going to talk about autumn, also called fall. Autumn is such a beautiful season, with colorful leaves, cool weather, and so many fun activities. Are you ready to learn some new words and listen to a short essay? Let's go. Part 1. Vocabulary. Autumn. Autumn. Autumn is the season that comes after summer and before winter. In the United States, we also call it fall, because leaves fall from the trees. Leaves. Leaves. Leaves are the green parts of a tree that turn orange, yellow, or red in autumn, and then fall to the ground. Cool weather. Cool weather. Cool weather means it's not too hot and not too cold. In autumn, we often wear sweaters or jackets. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. A pumpkin is a big orange vegetable that we see everywhere in autumn. People make pumpkin soup, pumpkin pie, and carve pumpkins for Halloween. Harvest. Harvest. Harvest is the time when farmers pick fruits, vegetables, and grains from the fields. Acorn. Acorn. An acorn is the little nut that grows on oak trees. Squirrels love to collect them in autumn. Sweater. Sweater. A sweater is warm clothing we wear in autumn when it gets chilly. Rain. Rain. In autumn, it sometimes rains, so we may need an umbrella. Windy. Windy. When the wind blows and moves the leaves around, we say it's windy. Halloween. Halloween. Halloween is a fun holiday in autumn when kids dress up in costumes and collect candy. Part 2. Short essay. Hi, friends. My name is Maci, and I want to tell you about my favorite season, autumn. In autumn, the weather becomes cool, and I wear my favorite sweater. The leaves on the trees turn red, orange, and yellow, and they fall to the ground. I love to play in the big piles of leaves with my sister. Autumn is also the time for pumpkins. My family buys a big pumpkin and we carve a funny face on it for Halloween. I dress up in a fun costume and go trick-or-treating with my friends to collect candy. Autumn is also harvest time. Farmers pick apples, pumpkins, and corn from their fields. Sometimes my family goes to the farm to help pick apples and enjoy fresh corn. It feels so special to eat food that was just picked. I also love looking for acorns under the big oak tree. The squirrels are busy collecting them for winter, and I think they look so cute running around. Sometimes it rains and the wind blows the leaves everywhere. I love looking at the sky and feeling the cool breeze. Autumn is a beautiful season, full of colors and fun activities, and it makes me very happy.